Okay.
And he was doing this baby. He was growing up in baby, slowly. He was 1, and he was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He grew up in a bigger man. And he was really. And he had dirt on his eyes, with the blood on his eyes. Their eyes was like I need this.
You need that leaf?
Yes, I need a leaf.
Okay.
And he sit on a leaf. He just sit on a leaf.
Jesus did?
Yes. And he was sitting on a leaf in a chair. And he was an alligator biting him. But was a leaf.
He had an alligator biting him. I don't remember that part of the Bible.
And he was hiding in the grass. And he teared it up. And he made the other one tear.
Yeah? And then what happened? What happened? What happened then, Davis? What happened then?
He was sitting on an alligator.
He was sitting on an alligator.
And a shark.
And a shark? Wow. What did he do to them?
Wow. Jesus. He bite him.
They did?
And he was a little baby. He was trying to... Look at this. Can this read to me? Oh, I know how to read it.